Hey guys, Cyndi here, the Wanderlust CEO. Today we are talking about how do you make more money as a travel agent. So if you want to find out my top tips for adding more money to your bottom line without adding a lot of extra hours on your schedule, then keep on watching. That's what we're doing today.
Yeah, you better step into the light. Just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
All right, guys, don't forget to take a moment, like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell over on YouTube. We bring you amazing content every single week to help you grow your travel businesses, and I don't want you to miss a thing. If you're new here, I want to say welcome. Type a little "I'm new" in comments, and I would love to welcome you to our community. And if you are new, you might not know who I am. My name is Cyndi Williams. I'm the CEO of Careers on Vacation, which helps people just like you learn how to launch, grow, and supersize your travel businesses. And I can't think of a better topic than how do I get more money doing pretty much the same thing I'm going to do anyway as a travel agent. So this is like a no-brainer video. And if you guys haven't noticed, it's March. We're talking about all things that are money related, right? A couple weeks ago, we did a video about how do travel agents make money, but today we're talking about really how do you increase your bottom line without increasing and adding a bunch of work. So very relevant topic if you are already a travel agent who's out there doing your thing and you just want to figure out, man, Cyndi, there's only so many hours in the day. How do I make the most of what I have? And that's what we're going to cover. By the way, if you are brand new or just thinking about getting into the industry, I want to encourage you to go grab our masterclass. This is the blueprint on how to scale your business to 7-figure sales and beyond. That's what we specialize in at Careers on Vacation. This will really help you out to understand how our industry works, go through the different setup processes. Before you do anything, take that mastermind and that will really help you. It's totally free. All right, guys, let's get into my more money tips for March. First thing I want to say, if you're a great travel agent, you're dealing with a certain amount of clients, you only have so many hours in the day, how do you maximize each sale? The first and easiest way to make more money, I call this the low-hanging fruit, is are you really doing upsells and cross-sells effectively in your business? What does that mean? If someone is going to Disney for the first time, for example, have we added the transportation for them? Have you offered them to do their dining reservations or to help them with their Disney Genie planning services? Those are things you can charge extra fees for. So think about that in terms of how you can increase the amount that you're earning for each sale. If they're doing an all-inclusive, what tours could you add on? What unique experiences could you add on to not only enhance your client's experience and make them think that you're just amazing, but also you're going to earn commission off those things. So think about that from an upsell perspective with every vacation. It also can be as little as doing this. I do this on every single quote that I do. If someone says, my budget is $8,000, right? I will give them 2 options at their $8,000 mark, but then I will give them one at $10,000. But I'll say, oh, but it has this extra thing, or this one has this, or it includes all of these extra things. I wouldn't be doing my job if I at least gave you the option. This trip isn't for 9 months. You guys have time if you want to kind of add this on and splurge. It's a once-in-a-lifetime trip for you. So I wanted to give you all of the options. You would not believe how many times people actually opt for the one that is over their budget because that's the experience that they're dreaming about. So if you can understand your client enough to deliver that dream and show that to them and make it make sense for them financially, then you can always upsell on sales, right? So think about how you can do that in your environment. If you're not already doing that today, that is an easy process and it also enhances your client's experience overall. So it makes you the hero at the end of the day when done right. The second thing is a cross-sell, a really good cross-sell. Like, are you doing cross-sells in your business? So if you're booking someone's honeymoon, when is the next time you check in with them? Or when you check in, are you checking in at all when they get back to go, how did everything go? Are you thinking about anything in the next 6 months? Are you having those conversations, or are you using automations that can help you with that cross-sell process? Or putting people, segmenting them from a marketing perspective and understanding what they're going to have inclinations to buy will help you really up-level your cross-sell and upsell game as you continue to grow your book of business. And listen, if you're like, Cyndi, what are you talking about segmenting audiences and creating automations? This is kind of level 2 stuff, right? We teach a lot of this in our Careers on Vacation program and our different programs that we teach. So all of this can be learned. I just want you to get the concept today that you can upsell and you can cross-sell. Even if you're just still doing it old school and you're just doing everything over the phone or through manually doing emails, yes, there's more effective processes. That's not what that video is about today. But I want you to at least think about, am I doing a good enough job leveraging each sale? Because that will bring you more money to your bottom line. All right, let me give you a few tactical things you can do to really just make more money. Number 1, are you using planning fees, right? So are you using fees? If you're not already charging fees in the climate today, you should be. Think about how you can create a planning fee or a concierge fee, or if you do things that are above and beyond for your clients, if you do groups or conferences, there's different types of fees that you can incorporate into your day-to-day business that will bring you immediate cash flow every single month. Again, not more worker hours. It's just an additional conversation as you're explaining with your clients, and this is how I work, to start that process, or I was going to say invite this process, but to initiate that process. That's a word I was looking for. So think about that. How can you incorporate fees into your business? The best travel agents, the ones that are in demand, we are charging fees. I'm going to tell you that right now. All right, number 2 on my top 3 things. Have you thought about, if you are an experienced agent, if you've been in the business a while, your sales are good, are you negotiating higher commissions with the suppliers that you work with? Especially if you are obviously not if you're hosting under someone else, that would be the host job to negotiate that on your behalf. But if you are an independent travel agent, or you are your own independent agency that even has agents for you, how often do you have conversations with your BDMs about what level do I need to get to be preferred? What level do I need to get to the next tier of commission? A lot of times when I coach new agency owners, they don't even know that this is something that you can do. So having those conversations, again, same amount of work, but wouldn't you rather earn 13% commission instead of 10% commission if you're selling 100 of that type of trip every year? Yes, you would. So again, perfect way to increase your bottom line without doing more work. That's what I promised today. Now, this last one you would definitely have to do more work for, but it's one that a lot of savvy, I will say, travel agents who are ready to expand into leadership are really leaning into. Have you thought about growing a team or starting your own agency? This is one that can be very profitable very quickly if you know what you're doing. So scaling a team, if you're ready to move out of that salesperson role and into that CEO role and really start mentoring people, hiring your first team, making them as successful as possible, then allows you to be the CEO and get out of the day-to-day of the business and do more working on your business versus in your business. Now, this is it in alignment with your goals one, right? Don't do this if you're like, I don't really like working with people, or I don't really like to manage things. Then don't do this one, right? But for those of you who are like, I have a heart for leadership and that's really what I love, think about growing and scaling a team. You can check out our Wanderlust CEO program, which will help you do that and get that set up for you as well. So guys, I hope these were some great tips on how you can create more revenue, more cash flow in your bottom line. It is more money March, and I want you earning as much as possible with the time that you have. There's nothing more important than that, to have that work-life balance. And by the way, if you struggle with any of these things, or you don't know how to do automations, or you're not sure how to get these processes in place, this is what we teach you in our Careers on Vacation certification program. I will encourage you to go over to careersonvacation.com. Check this out. This is our most popular mastermind. It's the one with over 200 plus case studies. It is an award-winning program, and this is our program that really will get that infrastructure in place and help you get your business online and relevant and getting those leads coming in every day so you can close those sales. You also get to work with real people, which I believe is the difference than any other program out there. You're working with my team and me to really understand how you can make the most amount of money in the least amount of time with your amazing travel business and have that work-life balance. So visit us over at careersonvacation.com/ready now, and we can help you with really the call is just to understand your goals. And if it's a match to work together, we'll walk you through how to apply for the program. So guys, I hope this was helpful for you today. I wish you so much love, so much abundance wherever you are in the world. I'll see you next week. Bye, guys. guys, Cyndi Williams here. If you like that last video, make sure you check out all of the other content on our channel. And if you want to follow along and travel with me around the world and see how I run my amazing travel brands and get some great tips on how to grow your own, make sure you check out that other content. I'm going to drop a couple videos here. Click those links. I'll see you next time.